Do you know why your customers say that you are too expensive? And if you have had a recent price increase, then you might be hearing that a lot more. Remember to watch this video all the way through if you want to find out the 3 reasons why customers tell you you're too expensive and what you can do about it. If you've never heard of me before, I'm Ilse Whiteman, known as the Cleaning Coach, and I have built a successful cleaning business, and I now help other cleaning business owners do the same. First thing that you cannot allow is for customers that says you're too expensive to get you down. It's not personal, you're not on your own. So the first reason, most customers will tell you you're too expensive. If you're still targeting the same customers you did when you charge a lot lower price. There are different customers in different segments in the market. You have your very low paying customers, then your medium paying customers, and then you got your high value, higher paying customers. So if you started off and then you got your first load of customers and you got loads because you actually charge a lot less, you were targeting a certain customer. They were willing to pay a lot less for your services. You grow, your business grow, you do things better, you clean better, you do everything so much better when your business grows, so you increase your prices. And then most cleaning businesses make the mistake of still targeting the lower rate customers. So this will cause you to get a lot of, that's very expensive, how can you justify charging that? Because you are targeting the wrong customers. All they're after is the cheapest price possible. They will be expecting the highest of cleaning standards. You have to remember that your lower scale customers will always buy on price. They don't actually care if you're going to solve their problem. They don't actually care anything about you. They just want to pay as little as possible. And the second reason is, if you're just currently giving your customers just a quote over the phone, when they ring up and say, here we go, this is how much we charge, you will get, you're very expensive, a lot. Why? Because they don't trust you. They don't know you. They don't know your standards. They don't know that you're the right company for them. They don't know that you're the one that's going to be solving their problems. They don't know nothing about you. You have to build trust and loyalty and authority to get customers to like, trust, and get to know you. Once you get to that stage, that's when you actually give them an estimate. Always start with an estimate. But by then, they know, like, and trust you. So the likelihood of them actually then saying you're too expensive is reduced by about 80%. Focus on building your brand so your customers know, like, and trust you, so that then you can take them to the next step before you ever give a price. And the third reason, which we kind of like touched on the reason 2, is they don't know you. They don't trust you. They don't like you yet. Once again, build your brand to build the know, like, and trust factor inside your business, and never give a quote over the phone. You have to stand out as a cleaning business, and you have to let them know that you're the one that's going to solve their pain point. But they won't believe that you are the one that can solve their pain point over the phone. Always get to the point where you arrange for a meeting. Then after that meeting, you will give them an estimate. So you have time to build the know, like, and trust factor inside your business. And then you can set this up to be automated. So every single customer that comes into your business will know you, will like you, and will trust you. And therefore they will accept your prices much easier. And therefore your prices won't be too expensive because you'll qualify your customers. Please make sure you don't just give a quote out. Make sure you have a procedure in place that you will get to their house to see them and then discuss the quote or estimate afterwards. Get to know them, go to their house, have a walkthrough schedule so that you go for the walkthrough, you warm them up, you compliment them, you make it all about them, all about solving their pain points. And once you get to that stage and you solve one pain point for them and they feel like you really understand them, and you'll be able to charge more and they will love you for it. Remember to tune into next week's video where we will be discussing how to handle customers that says you're too expensive. And if you agree, remember to comment Cleaning Boss down below. And while you're here, I would love to invite you to a free masterclass that I have on raising your prices in your business. The link will be below this video. And if you've liked this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can get notification when next week's video comes out. And if you'd like to enroll in my free Raise Your Prices masterclass, how to raise your prices like a pro without losing income, the link will be below in the description.